If you are running a startup, this is how to get up to 3 months of Notion business plan for completely free. Before that, let me show you what's included in Notion's business plan. It includes Notion AI, which is honestly one of the most unique AI I have ever used. You can use it to do your usual stuff like generating content or asking some questions. But the main feature is that Notion AI can search through your entire workspace. So it won't just go through the web, but also your own information, which means that you can mention a page and it will give you the answer based on it. You can also connect tools like Slack, Notion Calendar, Gmail, etc. and Notion AI will go through all of it. There is just so much more to Notion AI, and trust me, you use it all the time. Some more advanced features that you get access to are like AI meeting notes, where it'll help you automatically transcribe and summarize your meetings with action items, charts to visualize data easily, forms with conditional logic, and so much more. So to claim it, click on the link below and fill out this application. It should only take like 1 minute, and there are some requirements in place. You can't get it if you are already or have been a paying Notion customer, have received any promotions, or have more than 100 employees. Also, you need a custom email, so no @Gmail, and you need a website. Do note that this is an affiliate link, so I'll be compensated, and I truly appreciate your support. If you feel overwhelmed by Notion features or you don't know where to start, you can get my free CRM as your first system and learn how to build it by clicking on this video.